Today we're diving into LangGraph, an AI agent framework that claims to simplify building intelligent applications. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore what it offers and whether it's worth your time and investment. LangGraph is designed to help developers create AI-powered applications with ease. At its core, it provides a framework for building intelligent agents that can process natural language and interact with users. The platform emphasizes modularity, allowing developers to integrate various language models and tools seamlessly. What stands out is its user-friendly interface, which seems tailored for both seasoned developers and newcomers. The documentation is clear and there are plenty of examples to guide you through the setup. However, some areas feel a bit underexplained, especially when it comes to advanced configurations. The intended audience appears to be developers looking to leverage AI without getting bogged down in complex setups. Yet, while it's easy to get started, I can't help but wonder how scalable and flexible it really is for larger projects. Overall, the experience is promising, but there are definitely some gaps in clarity that could frustrate users as they dig deeper. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, LangGraph offers a clean interface and solid documentation, making it accessible for various skill levels. The modular approach is a real strength, allowing for easy integration of different AI models, but there are some notable drawbacks. For one, the lack of in-depth explanations for advanced features might leave some users scratching their heads. Additionally, I've found no clear pricing details on the site, which raises some trust concerns. Is it free, subscription-based, or pay-as-you-go? It's unclear. This might not suit developers looking for a fully comprehensive solution out of the box, but those experimenting with AI applications could find it beneficial. Just be prepared for a learning curve if you want to push beyond the basics. In conclusion, LangGraph could be a good fit for developers who want a straightforward way to build AI agents. However, if you're looking for extensive support and clear pricing, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but proceed with a bit of caution regarding its limitations.